So I just recorded a video and I go back to watch it. Let me just mute this here, and it stutters a bit. Look at this. Oh my god, it's awful. So normally what I'd do in a situation like this, I'd just re-record it, but this is kind of a thing where it's like my first impressions. So I'm gonna have to manually go through this and fix all of it. So basically, if you look at this, I'm going just frame by frame right now. So when I open my inventory, then I go to the next frame. It's back before I did that, and then I go to the next frame. It's open. It just keeps doing that for a little bit. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna find the first frame where I'm in my inventory, and I'm just gonna cut out so I just have that frame right here. That's this little block right here. And then the frame that it stutters back, I'm gonna get rid of that frame so it's back into my inventory. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this frame. Now if we look at it, it's a little less stuttery. Then I'm gonna do the same thing for this frame here. Get rid of the one where it goes backwards. We paste that in. If we look at that, it's gonna be a little bit more smooth. Obviously it's not perfect, because it's basically, I've just taken a frame and kind of like frozen it for an additional frame. So it might look a little bit choppy, but it's better than stuttering in my opinion. Oh my god, where are we? What are you? Oh my god, where are we? What are you? I hope that helped. Bye.